Girl, listen. This is silk press season. Still, you will damage your hair with the flat iron. You will. But I got news for you. I have the holy grail. This little bottle. K18. No hair fall. None. None. Look at this. I just shampooed my hair last night. And I'm getting ready to flat iron. And it's colored. K18. No hair fall. Love it. K18 has saved my life. And I'm a nature girl. My mother raised on a farm. If you know, you know. But when science meets nature, this is what I'm talking about. We got the biometric hair science. K18 is a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. I use that. Also use the K18 peptide prep, the detox shampoo. Both of them I left on 4 minutes each. Well, the leave-in, you leave in. It's amazing. I don't see my hair coming out. I don't see it in the sink. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. I've been praying. I've prayed over my hair. And let's just normalize prayer over our hair, ladies. Where the problem is. I didn't want to disclose that the crown of my hair has been the reason why it hasn't gotten past my shoulders. And the K18 has stopped that from shedding. That part of your hair, I don't know if any one of you out there is suffering with the crown of your hair. Everywhere else will grow, but that crown part of your hair is that part where it won't. You have to keep cutting it back up, and that part is short. It stops that. I am taking really huge chunks. And I mean, I know my texture is my texture. Hear me out. I like saying that too much. Anyway, I know my texture is what you would consider on the finer. Yeah. But still, that middle part would be rough. So that K18, it's top tier. See that little piece? Yeah. See that little broke piece? That really needs to be cut. There it is. You see that piece? It's in there. I can feel it. You won't regret it. You won't. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. You can't tell me that's not amazing. That's amazing. Amazing. Look at that. I'm at a loss for words. This is absolutely beautiful. But do you see this? Do you see this? In a bottle. This is what you need to keep your hair healthy. A few more weeks. You got 40 more days of silk press season.